Alright everyone, welcome back to my channel. Looking to secure your Azure Storage account while granting limited access? In today's video, we are diving into shared access signatures, a powerful feature that lets you control who has access to your data and for how long. In this tutorial, I will guide you step by step through setting up a shared access signatures in Azure Story accounts. Let's get started. So I already have a Story account created here. If you don't have one, I made a video showing you how to create a Story account in Azure. Click on your Story account here because we want to set up access signature in our Story account. Here, click on Security plus Networking, and click on Shared Access Signature. So a access signature, known as SAS, in Azure is a secure way to grant limited access to your stored account resources. It allows you to specify who can access specific resources such as blobs, files, views, and table, and what actions they can perform, like reading, writing, or deleting. Additionally, you can also define the duration of access and other constraints like IP restriction and permissions. We're going to see all of this. And here we are on our SAS configuration panel. And here, first of all, it starts with allow services. If we click here, the service is accessible with the SAS account. So let us say for this, we want just blob and files. Let us uncheck queue and table. And here allow resource type. So in this resource type, it can be container. So let us say it's a blob containers. You have multiple containers. It can be a container or an object. So an object is it's just a blob, a one blob, like an image, a file, or something like that. So and a service is the entire service, like file share, queues, table, or blob containers. Now let us choose all of that. Check all of them: service, container, and object. And here allowed permissions. This is very important. What you want the person you are sharing with your story account, what you want that person do, what kind of permission you want to allow the person to have on this story account. So the person, let us say, he has the right permission to read but not delete. Can also add, but not write. Can modify, but he can add, create, and yeah, permanent delete, no. Immutable storage, yes. And here, all of those things, you can let them as default. And now, very important is the time you want the person has access to your storage account through the SAS that you're gonna share with that person. And here we have the start time is today at this time, and the end time, let us say, gonna be something like tomorrow, and the time here is gonna be this one: Amsterdam, Berlin, Rome, and here the IP address. So you can allow certain IP address here. As I said, it's an IP address or range of IP address from which to accept requests. So if you define here an IP address, like a public IP address of the person you want to share your story account with through this SAS. So if you define the IP address here, if the person is using a VPN, for example, it won't allow that person to access this story account through this SAS you're gonna share with that person. Here we have the HTTPS only, choose HTTPS only, and now we have the here we have the choice to go with the key one or key two, but for the sake of this demo, choose the key one, and then click on generate SAS and connecting string. If we click on here, you can see here we have the connection string, and we have SAS URL here. So that's all. Now you can share this with someone you want to share with, and they have a limited access and also a limited period of time to access your story account. That is how you can leverage this powerful feature to protect your story account. As it states here, you see here, it can provide a shared access signature to clients who should not be trusted with your story account key, but whom you wish to delegate access to certain story account resources. So it's very important, and that's it. Now you know how to set up a SAS in Azure Story account. So from now on, keep using it to protect your story account when it comes to share your story account with a contract or a client that you don't trust. Um, and it's a powerful tool. I hope you find this helpful. Share, subscribe, comment, and see you